Hello everyone, my name is Fathima Mushkan from first year CSBS and my topic is hanger that dries and disinfects towel. Now, towel hanger and also dries disinfects towel is a multifunctional device designed to enhance the cleanliness and freshness of towel. Here's an expectation of how it works. Basic towel hanging. Like a traditional towel hanger, this device provides a convenient place to hang towels. It typically has hooks or bars where you can hang your wet or used towel after bathing or swimming. Drying function. It often includes built-in heating elements or a fan system. These components work to accelerate the evaporation of moisture from the towel. As the towel dries, it prevents the growth of bacteria and mold. This features ensures that your towel are ready for reuse or more quickly. Timer and safety features to ensure effective disinfection and prevent overexposure to UVC light. These hangers often come equipped with timers or sensors. The timer controls the duration of the disinfection cycle. Next is energy efficiency. Many modern towel hangers are designed to be an energy efficient, using timers and sensors to activate the heating function only when needed. This helps reduce energy consumption and lower operating cost. Versatility. These towel hangers can be installed in bathrooms, spa facilities, gyms, and other locations where towel hygiene is essential. They are available in various sizes and styles to accommodate different towel sizes and aesthetics. Thank you.